Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Joey here again, and today we're going to be doing tutorials on different types of buns using the buns and the bangs from Instant Glitz. The brand is called Instant Glitz, and this was sent to me by Sans Beauty to review for you guys. So first, what I do is I make sure that my hair is nice and blown out. My hair isn't super duper straight, but it's blown out originally from its curly, its curly state. It's not as curly, and you want to do this because you want your bun to sit as nice and neat as possible. And you want, especially if you have long hair like myself or thick hair, you want the bun to sit as small as possible underneath the drawstring bun that we will be installing later. So I start with my Eco Style gel, and I make sure that I brush my hair back all the way back, because we will be putting a bang installment as well. And I just make sure that I get a nice thick scrunchie just to tie my hair up, because a lot of times I do break my hair ties, and if you have thick hair, you know the feeling. You definitely know the feeling. So what I'm going to do next is I'm not going to go ahead and wrap the hair into a bun just that moment. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to braid the actual ponytail so that the bun can sit a lot smaller. From my experiences with ponytails and buns and stuff, I've learned that my hair has to sit as flat as possible, because my hair is pretty thick. So the bun style that I'm going to be using from Instant Glitz is the sweet roll, and the bun style is coffee roll. I've got her in the 1B. She does have the adjustable drawstring, as you can see, and she also has some combs that will be easy for you to install her on. I would definitely, like I said, recommend that your hair underneath is a lot smaller. She is pretty snugged on, and the hair is so beautiful. The only thing that I wish is that the hair wouldn't pop out. Like, some of the hair does pop out, so if you do find that as a difficulty, just go ahead and grab some bobby pins. Now, the bang that I'm going to be showcasing first to you guys is the Sweet Bangs, and it's from Instant Glitz as well. And I'm wearing her in the color 1B. This one is the Swoop side bang. So this is the Swoop side bang, and it has 3 combs that are clipped on, that you can go ahead and clip it onto your own head. I would say, again, make sure that you are not clipping it to the thickest part of your hair, because it will not clip on. But I think this hair is so beautiful. It barely sheds or anything like that, and it does not feel uncomfortable at all. And honestly, I feel like it's pretty natural looking. The next style of bang I'm going to be showing you guys is the Fringe bang, and this one just pretty much, again, it has the 3 combs just like the other one does. The only thing is the difference is the style. Now, this one did come as well with the coffee roll. They did come together. They don't come in the same packaging, but they do come together. So that's why I'm not showing you guys a different bun, because I got 2 of the same buns. But this one was very easy to install, just like the other one, and it is absolutely beautiful. I feel like this style is perfect for any season, whether it's summer or winter. I just think she's so gorgeous, and I never had a style like this before, so I think it's so pretty, like so pretty. Let me know what you guys think, by the way. Which one do you like better, the side bang or this one? Now, additional to showing you guys the bangs and the buns together, I also wanted to show you that you don't have to wear the bangs with these styles. You can just go ahead and wear the bun on its own. So what I'm just doing here is I'm taking my natural baby hairs out just to kind of make it look a little bit cuter. But you guys can always achieve a nice big bun, a big high bun, and I think this is actually really cute. Or what you can also do is you can go ahead and do a low bun, which is what I'm going to do next. So what I'm doing is I'm just parting my hair to the side, and I'm going to do a deep side swoop and just gel it down with my Eco Style gel. I would suggest with this style, make sure that your hair is extremely flat. It is, I want to say, semi-straight, not too curly, because you want this to sit really nicely again. And I feel like low buns are a little harder than high buns in my opinion. So just make sure that you are really gelling it down. And if you want to, go ahead and add some spray as well, so it can stay down the whole day. But honestly, this is one of my favorite hairstyles to do, especially in the summertime. And the fact that sometimes the buns aren't as big as I want them to be, the fact that I have this drawstring bun, it does add a nice touch to it. So this is just a suggestion that you guys can also do as well. Let me know which one is your favorite style out of all the 3 styles. So this is all I have for you guys today. Make sure that you do check out Sans Beauty on their website and their Instagram. Make sure that you do get your hands on these beautiful buns and bangs. I feel like they are the perfect style. They're affordable. They're easy to do at home. Nothing too crazy. And they're also protective hairstyles in a way. Make sure that you do comment below and let me know which one is your favorite one. And also follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys soon. Bye.